Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to test the charging the MI11X device and listening to the audio at same time. As you can see friends, this is a splitter which I did order, as you can see, and this is a question which was asked by one of my subscriber asking me to test this kind of feature, as you can see friends. So these are even a lot of couple of users has been requested me, and finally I decided to do this kind of video today. So let's see whether the MI11X will be able to support this kind of Type-C audio splitter and the charging at same time or not. So this is what I'm going to test in my channel, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on this MI11X. In case if you want me to do any other testing similarly like this, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll do my best to make the video as soon as possible at the earliest stage, and for the link for this kind of Type-C splitter will be available in the description below. You can find a lot of links as well, but definitely I'll try to pin the comment, so make sure to check the comments where I'll be pin the links for this particular audio or Type-C splitter and the charging at same time. So let's see friends whether this is working in this MI11X device or not. So that is what the interesting part it is. So first, if it is working, whether it will be able to charge faster or not, that is also another thing you need to see, because most of the Type-C this kind of splitters, they will decrease the charging speed. So that is what happens friends when you try to use this kind of Type-C splitters, the charging speed also decreases sometimes. So let's see what happens right now. So first it is a 33-watt charger adapter, so which I'll try to connect first, and then I'll try to use the 3.5 mm jack, as you can see, which is available here, so which I'll try to connect to the phone as well. So right now, as you can see friends, right now I'm connecting the Type-C charger. So let's see whether the phone will be able to detect or not. I'm closing the lock screen because you should be able to see at what speed the phone is actually charging. So that is what my question is. So let me try to plug the charger properly. As you can see here friends, right now it's charging, but it's not saying any kind of quick charge or any kind of turbo charge. So there's a different mechanisms where the phone will be able to demonstrate. So where I did explain 3 different types of chargings animations which is happening in the MI11X device, as you can see. So try to check those video friends, you will definitely understand what is going on right now. So this is a very slow charging, and even I did get a message right now, as you can see. So charging is slow, check whether the proper adapter and the cable is properly connected or not. So this is what the message you will be getting if you keep charging using this kind of Type-C splitters. So let me try to check whether the audio will be functioning or not. So that is what my main focus will be there in this kind of video. So I'm trying to plug in the Type-C headphones as well, as you can see, sorry, 3.5 mm jack as well. As soon as I connect the 3.5 mm jack, I can see the audio symbol on the top of the notification as well, as you can see here. So now let me try to start playing the audio. So let me try to open one of the music player which is available here. Let me try to play the audio file. You may be able to understand or not. So let me try to select the full volume and keep these earphones near the mic. So let me try to bring the mic as well, so you might be able to hear. As you can see friends, charging and listening to the music at same time. So alright friends, the Type-C splitter is exactly working as it is without any kind of problem, but only one thing is that the phone will be able to charge very slowly. So this is what is happening right now. As you can see, it takes more than 2 hours to complete charge from the 34% to the 100%. So this is a problem of using the Type-C this kind of adapters. So this is a kind of review friends, and thank you for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to check the links in description, and don't forget to check my playlist as well for the MI11X device, where you can find plenty of videos on one single playlist, as you can see. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. And also check these comments. I'll be trying to pin the comments as well for the link for this exact Type-C splitter, so make sure to check that links, so in case if you want to buy the product. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.